In this problem, we're being asked to graph this function and determine the intervals of x where the function is increasing. So we'll start by hitting the y equals button on the calculator. It's located in the top left, right here where I'm wiggling the mouse. So y equals. Okay, so now we have to enter our function. So our function is a fraction, so it's really important to put the numerator in parentheses. So parentheses. And now here's where the most common mistake occurs. There's a negative sign here, so you have to use the negative key in the calculator. It's right here where I'm wiggling my mouse. So negative, and then x is right here, so x. And then to get an exponent, we have to hit the caret key. It's this little key right here. Okay, and then 3. Now, if it was the minus sign, we'd be using this one. So negative, minus, negative, minus. Let me do that again. So parentheses is right here. Negative is down here. And then the variable key is here. And then the exponent key, it's called the caret key, is here. And then 3. And the rest is pretty simple. So plus 9x, exponent key, squared, minus, really important to hit the minus sign. So minus is right here. Minus 24x plus 1. Parentheses. You have to close the parentheses and then divide by 3. Okay, so if you're following along, just make sure what you type in looks exactly like what I have here. Now, if you have a newer calculator, your exponents might look better. In other words, they might look just like they look in the actual problem here on this worksheet. Okay, I'm going to hit graph. The graph key is right here on the top right. And let's see if it works. And it does. Now, if it doesn't work, you can just hit zoom and then go down to 6. And that gives you a 10 by 10 window. Okay, so pretty simple. Okay, we have to find out where the function is increasing. So when you're thinking about where functions are increasing, you just look to see where the graph is going up. So you look at it left to right. So here it's going down, 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 down. So it's decreasing, 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 then increasing, and then down. So it's decreasing on this little, increasing on this little piece right here where I'm wiggling my mouse. So we're going to hit trace, and it looks like using the arrow key to navigate there. So from 2 to about 4. Yeah, so from 2 to 4. From 2 to 4, it's increasing. So the answer should be A. I hope that made sense.